Fifth standard students, in your syllabus the next lesson is ways to multiply and divide. Mani Ratnam, the cashier. Mani Ratnam is the cashier of the King Jayan. His job is find the salary of all the people who work for the king. He is like a cashier, accountant. In your family, your father is the accountant. Everything he gives you for school fee, for purchasing new clothes, everything, most probably. So in your family, your father is the cashier. So in this way, Mani Ratnam is the cashier. So this chart shows how much salary each person gets in a day. So Mani Ratnam is calculating person, minister's salary is rupees 195. Horse rider's salary is rupees 76. Cook's salary is 65. Now it is one day. In a day, that means it's for one day. And Mani Ratnam wanted to calculate the salary of the cook for the month of January. Okay, so daily the cook is getting this, and 65 in the expanded form we can write 60 plus 5. And in the month January there are a regular month we take 30 days. Okay, so one day, the salary of one day we know, so we have to calculate for 30 days. Okay, so in the month of January how many days? Regular we take 30, but they are taking in the month of January 31 days, so 31 days salary. Okay, 60 plus 5, 30 plus 1. So 60 plus 5, 65, and 30 plus 1, January's month we will get. Now 30 into 60, 1800. 30 into 5, 150. 1 into 60, 60. 1 into 5, 5. Now add all this. So the salary we will get. Now see here, 5, 5, 5, 5. So last is 5. Okay. Now tens place 6, 5, 11. Carry forward 1. Hundreds place is here only. So carry forward 1 and 1, 2, 2 and at 10. Carry over 0. And 1 and 1, 2. So the salary of cooks is in the month of January 2015 rupees. Okay. Mani Ratnam's daughter Bela has learned another method to multiply. She wrote like this and showed it to Bhanu, her brother. Akka, how did you do this? We can multiply 65 with 31 into 2 steps. We know 31 is 30 plus 1. So first multiply 65 with 1 and then with 30. So simple. And this method you have learned in the lower classes. So 1 5 is 5, 1 6 is 6, 3 5 is now tens places. It is tens place, ones and tens. So for tens place we will put 0 here. Okay. So 3 5 is 15, carry over 1, 3 6 is 18 and 1 19. 5, 6 5 11, carry over 1, 1 9 and 1 2. In this way also. Now Bhanu tried to find the salary of minister for the month of January. He wanted to multiply 195 into 31. So to multiply by 30, I first write a 0 here. Then I only have to multiply by 3. Why? Because 1 is units place and 3 is at tens place. So for tens place, at the unit place, we will put 0 because we are multiplying now tens place. Okay, so 195 ones are 195, and now 0 we will put at the units place, and tens place we will start our multiply. So 3 5s are 15, 5 carry over 1, 3 9s are 27 and 128 carry over 2, 3 1s are 3 and 2 5. So answer will be 5, 9 5 14 carry over 1, 1 1 2 8 10 carry over 1, 5 1 6. Monthly salary is too less. अभी तो हमारा केवल वेजिटेबल्स एंड मिल्क इजिली only. Now practice time. Use Bela's method to multiply these numbers. Okay, this sum I will solve on the green board, and this you can solve easily beta. Here only you will put 0 here, and then simple multiplication you will start. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 in this way. This way also, here is ones place you have to multiply only. So 8. So here above line easily you can multiply, you know beta, and 8 and write the answer. Okay, so these two questions I am solving on the green board. Now see 32 into 46. So first 6 2s are 12 carry over 2, 6 3s are 18, 18 19, then 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 2 as it is, 9 8 17, 7 carry over 1, 1 and 1 2, 2 and 2 4 1. Next is 8 7s are 56 carry over 5, 8 6s are 48, 48 and 5 53. For this you will learn table by heart. Till 20 you will learn, and 1 7s are 7 and 1 6 are 7. Now 8 6 7 3 10 carry over 1, 5 and 1 6, 6 and 6 12. So answer is 1206. Now we have to take below more sum practice time, and we have to solve by Bela's method. So only question number E I am solving. Rest of the sum you will solve in your CW notebook, and you will make simple CW notebook for this. This work you will do in the simple CW notebooks. 2 0 0, 2 6 are 12 carry over 1, 2 3 are 6 and 1 7, 1 tens. At tens place you will put 0, then 1 zeros are 0, 1 6 are 6, 1 3s are 3, 0 2 and 0 2, 7 6 13, 3 carry over 1 and 3 and 1 4. Okay.